Hello, my name is Mark Zwinderman, and today I'm going to tell you about a brilliant case study of work we carried out at the SAS Refinery in Grangemouth. Now, the SAS Refinery in Grangemouth had about 20,000 tonnes of oil sludge in storage just outside Edinburgh in Scotland in the north of the UK. Now, the problems were such that 20,000 tonnes of oil sludge with quite a bit of crude oil still in it was in storage. And the only disposal option after a change in regulations was incineration, which had to take place just north of London in England, which is a very long drive indeed, and many trucks needed to move 20,000 tonnes of oil sludge south, a very costly operation. So there was a need to try and recover the valuable oil from this crude and reduce the amount of waste for disposal, and ideally create waste for disposal that could go to landfill rather than incineration. So this was a fascinating project to get involved in. What we did is we designed a process where we recovered dry solids through the supply of a SAS Sludge treat. And what happens is we inject our SAS Sludge treat chemistry, our microemulsion chemistry, into the oil sludge. This gets very quickly mixed in an inline mixing system. And it then goes through a decanter centrifuge inside this unit that you see here. Out come very dry solids, which can go to landfill, and oil and water. Now the water can go to a wastewater treatment plant, and the oil is then recovered and of a good quality. And so this is what we did for 12 years. And over the first 4 years alone, doing the numbers on the work that we did together with Ondeo Industrial Solutions and the SAS Refinery, we recovered some $4 million worth of high quality crude oil through this process that went straight back in to the refining process. So this oil was of a very high standard. We reduced the waste that had to go to disposal by over 80%. That was basically the dry solids that we produced in the decanter. The process doesn't produce a wet sludge, but a very dry solid material. And it didn't have to go to incineration, but it went straight to a landfill site. And the waste disposal savings in transport, landfill tax, and disposal costs was $9 million over a 4-year period using the SAS sludge treat and mist process. So we play a very small part in keeping Scotland so amazingly beautiful. It's been a brilliant project to be involved in. We would love to get involved in more brilliant projects with you, and we would love to create some new case studies that we can share about with you. So if you have any waste treatment problems, if you have any waste treatment projects you're working on in oil waste, then get in touch with us on any one of the many channels that are available. We'd love to talk to you and see if we can help you. So that's me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.